What's up, Mara? You seem a little sad.
Yeah, I just wish I could go hiking in a mountain or rock climbing or watching the northern lights with Poppy and Icy. But no, I'm stuck in a house with nothing to do.
I know, it's tough. So on today's episode of Ask Me Anything Science Edition, we're going to talk about how you can go on those adventures without even leaving your living room. Like this. All you need is a camera, a couple of big solid colored sheets, and some video editing skills.
I really don't have video editing skills.
Don't worry, that's not that hard, and we'll get to that in a bit, but first we need to set up our green screen.
I was wondering what all that poster board was for.
Yeah, I picked it up at the dollar store for $1 a piece before we started physical distancing. Are you ready? Hold my coffee.
I still don't get how it ends up looking like this.
All right, well, let's do a quick clip of you playing the guitar in front of the green screen. And then in our editing, we can take out the green, make it disappear, and put in whatever background we want.
That's so cool. How about flying now?
What's the magic word?
Abracadabra! Please.
You got it.
How does that work exactly?
Good question. So when you open up your video editing software, look for something that says color key or chroma key. I use WeVideo here. So when I open up the color key tab, there's a little eyedropper symbol. Use that to select a region of the video that's green, and then the software knows to make any part that is that color disappear. It's just that simple.
Cool. It just leaves me behind. And then you see the other video clip you added in the channel as my background.
Yep. And lighting is really important. You don't want any shadows. So our homemade setup isn't perfect, but it's not bad, really.
Awesome. Okay, can we do one more? Because I've always wanted to see the northern lights.
Let's do it. To the northern lights.
Okay, just one more question. Why do we use green screen instead of like yellow?
It doesn't have to be green. You just need a solid color that's all one color. But it's good to choose a fairly unique color so that parts of you don't disappear when you do the color key technique. And make sure your clothes don't match either, because they'll disappear too. Kind of like an animal blending in with its surroundings with camouflage. This is what happened when we tried a navy blue sheet. There you go.
That's not as good, but not bad for an old sheet. Okay, now you guys try it in your kitchen or in your living room. And make sure to share your videos with us on Facebook or on Instagram.
Have fun and keep those questions coming.
Thanks for watching Ask Me Anything Science Edition. Uh-oh, gotta go!